morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this time we have this popular song by Zayn featuring SIA called Dusk Till Dawn. So pretty basic and easy chord progression there, and very playable. So let's dive into it. We have 5 different chords here. So it's the A minor. Oh, first and foremost, the couple is placed on the 2nd fret. A minor, then an F chord, basic C, even easier G, and we also have an E minor here. So very easy song, like I said, and the thing is the strumming pattern. We need to really get this one. Otherwise, it's very easy. So, the chord progression in the verse is A minor, F, C, and G. And no other song in the whole world has this chord progression. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's very common. So, A minor, F, C, G. And here, if I just play it slowly for you, you will get when you have this downstroke. So it sounds like this. That's one round, so it just goes on like this. So if I count, it maybe can help you to just follow when you have this down strumming. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So you see on the 1 and 2 and, so you down strumming every chord 2 times. 1 and 2 and. So on the first 1 and on the second and. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So the second time you play every chord, it's like just like a bridge over to the next chord. So A minor and 2, A minor, F and 2, F, and so on. So really easy when you get it. So that is pretty much the thing when it comes to the verse. And on the pre-chorus, you just play 4 downstrokes on every chord, so like this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the chord progression is exactly the same. F, 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 C, 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 G, 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 G. We started to learn this one. And so on. And so on. Yeah, I think you get it. Pretty easy. 4 downstrokes. And then for the chorus, it's yeah, the chord progression is A minor, F, C, and you think it comes to G now? No, it comes to an E minor here. So A minor, F, C, E minor, and strumming pattern is down, pause, down, pause, down, up. is the thing when it comes to the chorus. And then we have a bridge here, and the bridge, the different chords are F to C to G and back to yeah, like a bridge there to C and F again, C, and then you just hold the G chord here, and then it comes to the chorus again. And this one could be a little bit tricky to play, so I'm gonna count for it again, so you really get the thing when you're gonna down strum here. So only one down strum here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, G, G, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, and you just hold the G, and then the chorus. So on 1, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, C, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, C on the 4 here, and one more time. F, 1, 2, 3, F, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. This bridge, yeah, it's just two times you play this one, and then you get to the chorus. That's about it when it comes to this song. I hope this one was helpful for you. This is just my way of playing it. You can play it in your way if you wish. But if you like this one, please hit the like button there. And as always, play tuned.